Hey! On this episode of Green Tea Time, I'm going to show you how to make a front porch you will fall for. Okay, so fall is all about the pumpkins, the straw, the mums, the gourds, and the muted, beautiful colors. Hey, I'm running out of daylight, and you know the saying, you gotta make hay while the sun is shining. So, let's do it, baby. Front porch, I wanted to create an entry into the space, and then I also wanted to create some sitting areas with the straw. Now I wasn't really sure until I got here how I was going to lay it all out. Once I got the straw bales into place, I knew it was going to be awesome. So I did groupings of mums and pumpkins for accent pieces. I used the hay bales for our seating areas as well as to kind of create a cozy space. I put burlap on top of them and secured them with clothespins. So clothespins are kind of like a cute little accent that the wooden ones kind of have a fall feel, so it works in this situation. The burlap helps to make a softer seat on the hay bale, and then I topped it all off with some baskets which I just found around the house, and I threw a layer of burlap in there, and then I threw a package of gourds in just for a little accent piece. So you can sit here and have your morning coffee, or you can sit here and welcome all the trick-or-treaters. As we head into Halloween and then into Thanksgiving, this front porch will last throughout the whole holiday season. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Green Tea Time. Mum is not the word for this fall front porch. We got plenty of seats, so come on by. We'll see y'all next time on Green Tea Time. Whew. I'm gonna have a little rest after that one. Had to go to the farm and get the hay bales today. Guys, be sure to like our page and share this video for your chance to win our next giveaway. That's the way you enter. Like our page and share this video so we can get the word out and create all these beautiful fall front porches. That's hard to say. We can create all these beautiful fall front porches everywhere. See you next time.